So I had a conversation with one of my clients the other day, and it was about strengths and weaknesses. And one of this gentleman's weaknesses is reading and understanding his financial statements. He has an executive coach also, in addition to me, that has asked him to get better at reading the P&Ls and the balance sheets and as a vital part of his business. And I totally disagree. This guy's a creative. His mind is thinking about the next big thing. The typical entrepreneur who is chasing the shiny balls, and he's really good at it. He thinks about new thoughts and ideas and ways for his business to grow. So what I'm going to recommend is allowing someone else to get better at the financial statements and understanding those. And when you have somebody asking you about those, a banker, a lawyer, IRS, have that person come in and make that call for you. If you're great at financial statements and not great at creativity, find someone that's good at creativity and bring them in for that. But this guy is really good at creativity. I'm going to go back and tell a little parable about something that happened to me years ago. I've always been good at taking pictures. I could frame things, and I can see beauty within the scenery, and took some beautiful pictures. And one day I decided I need to learn how to use my camera. So I went to a class, started learning how to use the camera, and lost all of my creativity. I was so worried about the aperture and the camera, the shutter speed, and all the details that camera has built in, that I lost the ability to see the beauty within the picture itself. It was amazing that worked. So that goes along with the advice that I gave my client, is that do what you do it really well, and let other people do what it is that they do really well.